Hello and welcome back to my video classes. This is Series 1, Episode 1, and in this episode we're going to be talking about 6 British interjections. But first, what are interjections? So, they are words, phrases or noises that a speaker can use to show feeling or emotion, and they are often used in spoken English and sometimes in writing. So they're really about noises to show our feeling and how we express ourselves. So, let's get started. Number 1. Ah! Ah! You are frightened, you are shocked, you are calling for help. So I can say, ah! There's a thief in my house. Number 2. Aha! Aha! You're confirming something. Aha! So that's your secret plan. Number 3. Ah! Ah! So, you are realizing something that someone has said to you. Ah, so your friend lives in England as well. Ah. Number 4. Ah. This is when you have done something you didn't mean to do by mistake. For example, ah, I accidentally deleted her text. Ah. But it's a short noise only. Number 5. Oh. Oh. You're expressing how sweet something or somebody is. You're showing your feeling. So I can say, oh, what a cute little baby. Oh. Number 6. Oh, short. Oh. So here you're expressing pity and feeling sorry for someone. So I can say, oh mate, you should have told her your feelings. Okay, good. So now we're going to have a quick recap. So, ah is where you are shocked and frightened and you're calling for help. Aha, you're confirming something. Ah, ah, you are realizing something from what someone has said to you. Ah, you're frustrated. Ah, you're frustrated because you have done something that you did not mean to do and you most probably did it by mistake. So, oh, oh, showing how sweet you think something or someone is. And lastly, or you feel sorry for someone. Okay, so that's it for this week, and I will see you in the next episode of 6 more British interjections. Bye bye.